Kundalini is one of the passages, one of the paths on which one can walk through, one can travel to the inner kitchen. I'm happy this questioner is aware of this path, Kundalini path. That's why the question is coming like, when do you know when Kundalini opens? This path is ready all the time. Only thing, there are some obstacles, maybe some obstacles that you have to examine yourself. What are the obstacles, obstructions, blockades on the way of the Kundalini? You have to work on that. Of course, tomorrow there is going to be an initiation tomorrow, Kundalini initiation also. Once you understand about the obstacles on this way, on this passage, it's a nice passage. Kundalini is a wonderful passage. One can travel. No, such a traveling. One need to take the obstacles away. Then the journey will be easier. The destination is the inner kitchen. Kundalini is the passage, a channel, pathway. So once you know what are the obstacles, what are the obstructions, what are the hindrances on the way of Kundalini, 50% job is over. It opens up already. The moment you know it, opens up. It's actually waiting for you. Kundalini is waiting for you. In fact, you are not waiting for the Kundalini. Kundalini is waiting for you. Today and tomorrow we are going to discuss about these obstacles only. Please remember, my dear friends, spirituality is not seeking God. Spirituality is not seeking the self. Spirituality is not seeking anything. On the other hand, spirituality is taking the obstacles away, that's all. Understand clearly. You don't have to seek for anything. Whatever you are seeking is already there within you, in your kitchen. You are seeking only kitchen. You don't have to seek the kitchen. It is already there. Safe, very safe. What you have to do is there any obstacle? Are there any obstacles on the way of my journey? That is what spirituality is all about. How one can seek God? We don't have his mobile number. We don't have his route map. We don't know whether God is in black color or white color or in different colors. We don't know. We have no clue about God. How we can seek God? It's just an idea. Somebody says that there is a God, please seek God. We started believing. So instead of wasting time on this, we can just make a little investigation about our mind, about ourselves. Am I living rightly? Is my living is very right? Am I living in a wrong way? If at all anything, any wrong things on our way of our life, better to take that part, better clear that part. Moment we clear that, we meet God.